Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day 2. Like, I'm already scared. I'm scared for my consistency game because hey, CS that way man, diligent in his work, he will stand before kings. That is my quotation to you this morning. So if you have plans of starting something or being more consistent at what you've started, take grace from me today. Take grace, because it is not typical of Ezinne to wake up in the morning to vlog. Some days I could feel up to it, and then I just couldn't be bothered. So today is a beautiful Thursday morning in Enugu State, and I'm starting off this vlog. It's not going to be long. I don't know what I'm getting on with today, but whatever it is I'm getting on with, I'll carry you guys along. So I have a friend of mine coming around today to visit. And I want to take a long stroll with him. So maybe when we are on the stroll, I would also carry you along. So guys, I'm taking a walk around the village in my vicinity, and I am here at Air Force. I'll show you when I get to the gate. Air Force Abani. So this was where I received the most terrible slap of my life. So I had come here in JS1 when I wanted to enter JS1. So we were to register, you know, we're running our registrations and all that, blah 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 blah. And this man, I don't forget his name for any good reason. His name is Ali somebody, but it was the Ali that I knew. He wasn't their commandant, but he was one of the officials here. So the man was asking us, what is your name and your state of origin and all that. So I had told him, my name is Ezinne. So he said, okay, what state are you from? Like, I'm from Ebonyi State. The man said, I would ask you one more time, what is your name? I told him, my name is Ezinne. He said, okay, I've noted it. What state are you from? I said, I'm from Ebonyi State. That was how the man woes me military slap. He said, people that answer Ekpe, do they come from Ebonyi State? I'll show you the office when we get there. The office, Eva Nomamora. The slap was so resounding, I've not forgotten it, and I cried. And guess what? The interview lasted for 3 days. We were to be here. If you've been to Air Force, well, you practically know that they do their entrance interview for 3 days. So I think it's something that starts on a Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday they do the last one. So that was the first day. I was already telling myself in my mind, if this is what it means to school here, I ain't coming to this school. I'm sorry. I'm not coming. And I didn't even pass the exam self. So in the Air Force, GD school, huh? Jide my dignity. So yeah, we're
you don't jide your dignity, your dignity is pure.
These people undignified me.
You quit a bit.
Air Force. I would have been a graduate of Air Force, but I don't miss one bit. I don't miss it. They would have slapped the living daylight out of my life. It was in this school. One of the days of the interview when we were here, they fed us. Do you know what they gave us to eat? Beans. Not that they gave us beans. Of course, I eat beans in my house, but they served us beans and poured garri inside. Like, they poured garri on top. So you are supposed to mix the beans and the garri. Who does that?
They made you eat it in your own way, in their way.
I'm telling you, like, everything was terrible. I remember the hostel I stayed in. I think I can see it. When we get up a bit, I'll see it from there. Yeah, man, Air Force. So that is it.
You miss the school.
I miss it though. I have history. The hostel is not this big one. They've not built that big one that time. It's this small one here.
This is the neatness of everywhere.
It's Air Force now. It had to be neat. See the hostel where I stayed in. This one on a fence, Akita. I miss the school. It's neat, but my Marist is neater, please. The next place we'll go to is Marist. I'll take you to Marist and Teje, where I was groomed. So
This is one of the things you will brag about your school now.
So what was it? That's Mea Mater. We just left Mea Mater. We're still taking a walk. Guys, today is Vlogmas day 2, so I'm here on this road and I'm filming this content. See all the suffering I have to pass through to bring this content to you. So this is Christmas season here. This is a very good time to try out all those things you have wanted to do, to explore, you know, all those places you want to go, you've been wanting to go to for the longest of times. This is the best time to go there. And all those people you've been planning to meet and share, you know, some good time with them. This is a beautiful time for you to do that. So yeah, that is it. So I came to this road just to relive some moments and of course to recreate some memories. I spent 11 years of my life living in this compound. Yeah, inside Mea Mater here. So 11 years, it's no small joke. So I've been away from this compound for like 6 years now. This is the 6th year plus some months. So yeah, it felt so good coming back here again, to stroll down and to enjoy the moments and to share the content with you. So yes, that is it. That is what I did today. My day wasn't so eventful, but I promise that for every single thing I get on with, every day of this December, I'm going to bring it to you. So yes, I have company, of course. This road is too lonely for anyone to walk alone. But then, let's continue our walk. So keep enjoying. Tell me what you've planned out to do this December on the comment section, and I would love to read them up. Thank you. Guys. Hey guys. So yeah, after our long walk, after a very long tiring walk, we are here to cool off and chill off and we're doing pepper soup and drinks and see our view. I live in a village, so don't expect to see your view, my view. So this is what you see here. Yeah. guys, I'm back. I just got back now. So it was an eventful evening. The most important thing is just to get quality content for you. I had to stroll around my locality. I showed a few places I went to just to relieve the evening. And one of the things I tend to do so much towards the end of the year is to relieve moments, like just relieve stress, all those troubles that comes with the year and the whole pressure and all that. So I just had to relieve the stress this evening, and yes, I'm back home now. I'm yet to even take out. I just decided to come here to end this vlog. I had a nice day. I had an eventful day. Yeah, so that is what a typical day for me is. So we are going to see again tomorrow. Until then, continue watching, do subscribe and turn on your bell notification. I love you all.